Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload multiple images to a Facebook post. So if I open up my web browser, really what I'm speaking about is this, where I've got a little description, maybe a link to my website, maybe a better description than this. This was just an example I put together, and then you've got one main image and then some multiple images underneath, all in one post. So if I click on the picture, you can click on the left and right arrows, and I'm just showcasing the project here, for example. So if I close this, and if I go to, let's just go to my website, for example, and I'll click on my portfolio. Let's get some sample images. So let's take a look at maybe this simplicity. So we've got some nice pictures in here of this particular project. So what I'll do is open up this folder. You may have some pictures stored on your computer, but I'm just going to drag and drop these pictures into this folder like this. I've got 4 pictures, but you could have 20 pictures in here. You can have 10, how many other pictures you need. And I'll close down this browser window, and I've got the Facebook here. And what I will do is move to the top of Facebook, where I can post an image, where I can start my post, right? So I might write something like a website design, and I'll put my website address in here, something like this, and I'll write something a bit better than this, but you've got some basic content in here. Then all I'll do is take the 4 images from here and drag and drop them into Facebook post, and it's going to upload them. So here's all the images uploaded, and then you can drag them to position them which one you want to show first. So I may want to show, let's say, this one here of the laptop version, and this one here I may want to show at the end. You can just shuffle them around, and you can click add here and add more files, or you can just drag and drop more files in. So once you've done and you've got your content, you've got your title, maybe we'll improve that a little bit by going back to the website portfolio. Let's go to that project. Here it is. It's called Simplicity. This is the name of the project. So maybe we'll put the name here as well, which will make sense, right? Then we'll click share now, and Facebook will start to upload the images and create that post into one post here. So now we've got the photo, the main one that I selected, and we've got the 3 sub photos. We've got the title, and then we've got the website design and DCP. We'll click on that and it will take them to my website, and here I'm just showcasing the project, you could say, right? So that's how you upload multiple images. It's a nice way to showcase your work, or if you're taking pictures of an event, whatever it might be, you just want to share them on Facebook quite quickly. That's how you do it. That's the way I do it. And that's the end of this tutorial. So that's just showing you how to upload multiple images into a single post using your Facebook business page. Okay, we'll minimize this and close this, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.